cierto.
Hey. Golly, Ethan.
Oh. Dude, I swear. See, I told you he was just...
What they're on? Yep.
Oh, Cameron's caught fucking got him. Okay.
Wow, little one. Well. Oh. You got one? Good one?
I'm bad. Seems like nice too. It's not a bad one at all. Came up right to me. Right on him. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh my god. Oh my god. Damn, that's shocking. Damn, we can't all cast in one spot. Yeah, no, for real.
That's a good fish.
Not bad one.
You bit that shit hard. You wash them off, dude.
Yeah, so. Oh, got one. Got one.
Really? Golly, dude. Golly.
Dang, Ethan. Yeah, I'm bringing the hogs, baby. Hell.
Little baby bass right there. There's one. This little one. You got one?
Yeah.
Hey!
First fish. What? Oh, he's gonna bite your ass, Christian.
Ah! Do it sideways. There you go. You wanna hold it?
Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna take a picture for Snapchat.
Yeah.
Christian! Dude.
You got it. I got you see it?
I don't know if he's big or not.
He's medium.
Well, I don't know if I can get him up here.
Is that a rattle trap? Hey, keep it in the water. Oh my god, this may be my PD.
Really? Dude, that is huge.
Oh my god. Damn.
Ethan!
Oh my god.
You want me to get it?
The hook may come out.
You want me to get it?
Is the hook out? Oh my god.
It is.
It is.
Dude. I can't believe you didn't get that fish. There's like 4 bass I see right now.
Really?
Yeah, look. See one right there?
That's a good chunk, dude. Oh, right here at the fucking end. Right there, dude.
You see it?
Oh, fuck! When you get up close.
Oh! Oh, got it. No, that son of... Boom, boom, boom.
Got a little fat little belly on it. Hey!
Got him. Ah.
Oh shit! Oh damn! It's close. Damn. Oh, it doesn't count.
It's coming up. There. There he is. Oh.
Yeah, they got some